Hi all. A while back, you may remember, if you're daft enough to watch this, I sent you this little birdie, bit of Kiwiana. Now, look, there's a new one with a big worm coming out of its mouth. Big worm. Now, can we get them together? Yes. There we go. Kiwiana at its best in the winter sunshine. Right, ladies and gentlemen, mark this day in your diary because it's not often that I admit to being wrong. But in the previous video I said that the thing was holding a worm. In fact, if you look closely, it'd be a dragonfly. Look at that. So someone's taking a lot of care and attention and stuff. There, yeah. Okay, that'll do. Off to do some shopping.